In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Reclaim.ai, how to connect your Google Calendar, and how to use it to schedule tasks, set priorities, build habits, and let AI organize your time automatically. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how Reclaim works and how you can use it day to day. So to sign up, start from the Reclaim.ai homepage and click Get Started. Then agree and choose Sign Up with Google. Reclaim works with Google Calendar, so signing up with Google is required. They are working on an Outlook integration, but for now, Google Calendar is the only option. Once you sign in with your Google account, you'll be taken to this welcome screen that says Get Your Focus Back. On this page, Reclaim explains what it's about and shows you the setup steps, like connecting your calendars, setting your focus time goal, and setting up a few AI calendar basics. From here, just click Continue in the bottom right corner. Next, Reclaim will walk you through connecting your Google Calendar. Follow the on-screen prompts, select the same Google account you signed in with, and when asked for permissions, make sure you allow access so Reclaim can manage and adjust your calendar events. This is important because Reclaim needs permission to move and schedule events for you. After that, click Continue to move forward. Now, Reclaim is going to ask you a few questions so it can get to know you better and give you more relevant suggestions. When it asks, what brings you to Reclaim? Just select personal use. For the next question, what best describes your role? I'm going to select student. After that, just continue through the page until you see the message that says, now let's set up a few AI-powered basics. Click Continue and simply follow the on-screen steps. Once that's done, you'll be taken into the dashboard. You'll see that you have a 14-day free trial, and from here you can start exploring the platform. Don't worry if it looks like a lot at first. I'll walk you through the main parts so you know exactly where to focus. First, let's go to the planner because this is where most of the important stuff happens. On the left side, you can see the time of the day. You'll also see things like lunch already scheduled for you. Now, if I click on lunch, you can see it's currently set from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. If you want to change this, just click on lunch and then click the edit icon in the top right. From here, you can adjust the time. I'll change this to 11:30 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. Then click copy to all, so the same time applies across your schedule, and click save. You'll now see that your lunchtime has moved up on the calendar. Now let's add a task. In the top right, click new task. There's also a shortcut for this. You can just press C on your keyboard, which makes creating tasks much faster once you get used to it. Give the task a name. I'll call this editing video. Then choose the duration. You can set it to 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, 2 hours, or whatever works best for you. I'll set mine to 1 hour and 30 minutes. You'll also see options to split the task or set minimum and maximum durations. When you turn this off, those options disappear. I'll leave it off since I already know how long I want to work on this task. For hours, I'll select working hours, then I'll choose the date. Today is January 15th, so I'll set this task for January 17th. Once that's done, click Create. Now you'll see the task appear on your planner. You can drag it anywhere you want. For example, if I want to work on this from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., I can place it there. Or I can move it after lunch. You can freely adjust the placement depending on what works best for your day. And remember, everything you schedule here will also show up in your Google Calendar. Next, let's talk about priorities. On the left sidebar, click on Priorities. Reclaim schedules your time based on what's most important to you. Priorities range from low priority, which is P4, all the way up to critical, which is P1. If I click on my editing task, I can change the priority by clicking the priority icon. I'll set this to medium. Reclaim will now schedule this task based on its priority level. Higher priority tasks are usually placed earlier in the day when you're more focused and have more energy. If you want to set the priority while creating a task, go back to the planner, click New Task, and choose the priority before clicking Create. For example, if I set a task to critical, You'll see that priority reflected immediately when you click on it. Now let's go to the stats section. This gives you an overview of how your time is being spent. You'll see your time breakdown, trends, habits, tasks, meetings, work life balance, and focus time. After you've used Reclaim for a while, this section becomes really useful for understanding where your time actually goes. If you're working with a team, you'll also see team stats here. Next, click on Tasks in the left sidebar. This shows all of your tasks in one place. You can see what's due, how long each task takes, and its priority level. If you add team members later on, they'll also be able to see their tasks here. Now let's move on to habits. This is helpful if you do something regularly and don't want to schedule it every single day. Click New Habit in the top right. I'll create a habit called exercise. I'll set the priority to medium and choose a color. I'll mark this as personal, scroll down to duration, and set how long it takes. I'll choose 30 to 45 minutes, then choose the hours. I'll set it from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Click Copy to All so it applies to multiple days. Then go to Repeat and choose how many times per week you want this habit. You'll also see options like visibility and time defense. If you set it to always free, other events can replace it. If you set it to always busy, it will block that time. I'll choose Reclaim AI, so Reclaim automatically schedules it based on priority and availability. Then click Save. Now, when you go back to the planner, you'll see that exercise is scheduled automatically. You might notice that the time changes slightly each day. That's because Reclaim AI schedules it wherever it fits best in your schedule. If you want it closer to a specific time, click Edit. Set an ideal time like 3 p.m. and save. Reclaim will now place it as close as possible to that time. Another useful feature is templates. For example, if you want 2 to 4 hours of focus time every day, you can set that up as a habit. Choose the duration, choose the time range, set the ideal time, and save. When you go back to the planner, you'll see focus time scheduled as close as possible to your preferred time. If something looks off, like lunch being scheduled too early, it's usually because another habit or task has a higher priority. You can adjust priorities or manually move things around if needed. If a meeting comes up, just click New Task, name it Meeting. Set the duration, choose the date and time, and create it. Then set the priority to critical so it doesn't get moved by the system. You'll also see features like Smart Meetings, Calendar Sync, and scheduling links. Some of these are still coming soon, but they'll allow you to schedule meetings automatically and share links so others can book time with you. Before we end this video, let's quickly go over Reclaim.ai's pricing so you know what plan might work best for you. Reclaim.ai has a free light plan, which is free forever. This is good if you just want the basics. It includes one user, a 1-week scheduling range excluding scheduling links, one scheduling link, one habit, limited integrations, unlimited tasks, and unlimited buffer time. Next is the starter plan, which costs $10 per seat per month. This is designed for small teams. It supports up to 10 seats and gives you an 8-week scheduling range, excluding scheduling links. You also get unlimited focus time, 3 scheduling links, 3 smart meetings, unlimited habits, unlimited calendar sync, unlimited integrations, people analytics and time tracking, unlimited tasks, and unlimited buffer time. Then there's the business plan, which costs $15 per seat per month. This plan is built for larger teams with support for up to 100 seats. It includes a 12-week scheduling range excluding scheduling links, unlimited focus time, unlimited scheduling links, unlimited smart meetings, unlimited habits, unlimited calendar sync, unlimited integrations, people analytics and time tracking, unlimited tasks, unlimited buffer time, delegated access, and webhook support. Finally, there's the enterprise plan, which costs $22 per seat per month. This is for enterprise level teams with over 100 seats. It includes everything in the business plan, plus SSO and SCIM user provisioning, delegated access, webhook support, and enterprise grade support. Overall, Reclaim.ai is a powerful tool for organizing your schedule, protecting your focus time, and making sure your most important work gets done. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.